This is a 2014 Lancer Evo Gsr. Straight off the lot, this 5-speed 4-cylinder turbo Japanese beast makes 291 horsepower and wields 300 pound-feet of torque. With proper tuning and a variety of mods on the market, possibilities are endless. Like every fast car, there must be a braking force that can withstand all of this power. This Evo is equipped with state-of-the-art Brembo brakes. This beast also includes 18-inch shoes as well as an awesome, comfortable, stylish interior. This Evo was brought back from the dead after having a front-end collision. This Evo holds a certified salvage title, which means after a full repair and state inspection, this Evo is street-worthy once again. This Evo is currently for sale, so you can check out the Craigslist ad with the link posted below. Thank you for watching. To inquire about this Evo, please visit the Craigslist link below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.